Hi guys, Tiffany here from Tiffany Gordon Cosplay with a how-to video for straightening a synthetic wig using a steamer. And the tools that you'll need for this are a steamer, a comb, a wig brush, some pins, and then also a wig head. And I recommend using one of the fabric wig heads over a styrofoam one. And of course, you're gonna need a wig. And for this tutorial, I'm gonna be using a wig from Epic Cosplay. All of their wigs are synthetic, and this one specifically is the Hera Rich Butterscotch Blonde wig. And when you first get your wig, you're gonna wanna take it out of the packaging, and then you'll want to place it on your wig head and pin it so that way it will not move. And then you will want to brush out the entire wig. Normally, curly-haired wigs have a slight crunch around all of the curls with some type of products that the companies use, typically like a hairspray or something. And you'll want to go through and remove all of this, as well as to get all of the tangles out. I usually start around the bangs, and then after that is done, I'll start at the tips of the hair, slowly brushing upward towards the scalp. This will help prevent from losing any of the hair from it coming out of the wig. Also, you will notice when your curly hair wig is fully brushed, you're going to get probably about 6 to 10 inches more length in your wig hair. And this is what it should look like afterwards. Now to use the steamer. And this entire process took me about 5 minutes to steam the hair straight, which you can also use a straightener, but it takes a lot longer, so I highly recommend using a steamer instead. And for a steamer, this is a device that you put water into, and it's going to heat it up, and then when it's done, it will release steam, and the steam will activate your synthetic wig hair and slowly make it slightly wet and will straighten it. And I recommend when getting a steamer, getting one that has the option for a constant flow with the steam, as well as a trigger control so you can turn it on and off. And to do this, you'll start with your steamer and apply the steam at the scalp of the wig in the low heat position, and slowly work your way down and following it with a comb to make sure it will go straight and stay in that straight position. And then just continue to do this around the entire wig until you are happy with how straight it is. And that's pretty much it for doing this process. Side note, your wig when you are done will be slightly damp, so you will want to wait until it is fully dry before you start to style it. And here's what the finished wig should look like. I hope you found this tutorial for how to straighten a synthetic wig using a steamer helpful. And if it was, please let me know in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, a shout out to my Patreon supporters who helped funded this video. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you for our next video. Much love. Mwah!